Ilara's first day. This is Ilara. Today is a special day. It is her first day at school. Ilara walks to school with her mom. "Bye-bye, Mom," she says. Ilara sees many children. They are playing. She feels a little shy. A kind teacher smiles. "Hello, Ilara," says the teacher. "Welcome to school." Ilara goes inside. She sees a bright classroom. There are colorful chairs and tables. Ilara sits at a table. She sees a girl drawing. "Hello," says Ilara. "Hello," says Maya. "I like to draw." Ilara smiles. The teacher says, "Time for a story." All the children sit on the rug. The teacher reads a fun story. Ilara laughs. School is fun. Soon, it is time to go home. Ilara is happy. She made a new friend.